If you felt called to click on this video, then you are entering a new chapter in your life soon. If you have been feeling stuck in your head, overthinking every decision, especially as you're approaching this new chapter of your life, you're consuming content, pulling cards, pulling tarot cards, asking for signs, trying to figure out your purpose instead of feeling it. You sense a new chapter is coming, but you don't know how to access it. If this sounds like you, then you are at the correct video. I asked God to show this to people who really need to hear this at the start of this new chapter. I've had many new chapters in my life. I have moved a lot. I've experienced a lot. I feel finally I'm at a place where I feel very happy with my life. So my job is my dream business, making videos for you guys, living the beautiful British countryside, which is so peaceful. I love this as an empath, not being in a city. That's really draining for me. I earn passive income, so I only need to work around 4 hours a week. And this soft life that I'm living now, none of it came from forcing, but it came from when my mind finally became quiet enough to hear my soul. And that's a key lesson that I've learned in my life that is so important, that you gotta take decisions from your soul. Otherwise, you're gonna keep making fear-based decisions, manifesting from the ego, searching outside, like tarot cards. I used to be really addicted to pick a card readings, which I don't do anymore. I was doing psychedelics for a while. I went to an ayahuasca retreat. I tried mushroom. So it becomes this constant searching, seeking, never really getting anywhere. But when your mind softens, something else becomes audible. Your intuition, your truth, the quiet pull toward the life that's actually meant for you. And no, it's not always been like this for me, that I'm this just enlightened being and I don't have any thoughts. No. I've always had a crazy monkey mind. I've been overthinking my whole life. I wanted to please everybody. I wanted to fit in. I tried to gain approval from my parents, especially my mom. I've always chased her approval, but also society's and friends' approvals. I was chasing likes on Instagram, posting travel pictures. When I first started out my business, it was very much focused on validation because I didn't feel good enough. I was always overthinking, and it was not bringing me happiness. My mind was obsessed with safety, status, and survival. And I was also broke at that time. That is definitely a correlation. Another mistake I did, which really pay attention here because I feel like so many people do this, and that is hustling. To turn to hustling to gain approval. So I tried to get the best grades in school, climb the career ladder, no matter if it led to burnout or even if I hated the job. And eventually I got to my dream job, or so I thought, which was a job at Google. And when I got there, I was like, why am I still not happy? And then one day I booked a ticket to Asia and I went to this 10-day meditation retreat. You might have heard of Vipassana. It's this free retreat for 10 days where you meditate for 10 hours a day. No phone, no eye contact, no talking, no distractions. And for the first time in my life, my mind became quiet. I felt so present. And when my mind became quiet, I heard something else, my soul. And that's my key realization. When the mind is quiet, you hear the whispers of your soul. Now, why is this so important on this next chapter of yours? If you want to achieve your dream life, whatever this next chapter, this more aligned chapter of yours that you want to achieve is, if your mind is like a shaken snow globe, you know those snow globes you can buy, you shake them and then there's some decoration in the middle, like a house. Imagine that snow in the snow globe, your thoughts, stories, fear, memories, expectations, desires. And when the globe is shaken, you can't actually see clearly what's inside. Is it a house? Is it a dog? What's inside the snow globe, right? And this decoration that is in the snow globe is your dream life, this next chapter that you want to get to. And you guessed it, the easiest way to still the snow globe is through meditation. So I currently meditate for 20 minutes a day. But if you are completely new to meditation, I recommend you start small. Start with 5 minutes and every month add 5 more minutes until you're at least at 10 minutes. Obviously, the more the better. But the most important thing that it's daily. And after this meditation retreat, something shifted in my life. It was like my life finally had wind in its sails. So I wasn't pushing anymore. As a Capricorn, I have this tendency to really push and force things in my life. And I think this is so common in the 3D. We're taught that is how you get results. You gotta hustle, you gotta push. But I didn't push anymore. I started my dream business finally because I was no longer worried about what people would think. I met my twin flame, the love of my life. Opportunities appeared without me hunting them down. So I basically started surrendering to what is my destined path in life. I believe our life path is decided pre-birth by our higher self. And the more you surrender, the quicker you get to that dream life. And at this point in my life, my view started to change after this retreat. So I stopped outsourcing my power. So I said, I'm never gonna do psychedelics again. I'm never gonna do tarot cards again. I stopped trying to manifest from the ego and from instead what my soul wanted. So if you felt pulled in a new direction towards a new life chapter, whether that is starting a business, stepping more into a purpose, going from like burned out employee to like this soft life, becoming a mom, whatever that is, don't start with strategy, start with stillness, because then you will get really clear on what you actually want and then how to get there. And talking about life purpose, I actually have a free guide, link in the description, on how to find your purpose in 5 simple steps. I'm curious to hear what this new life chapter is for you. If you feel like you have an idea of like where you're heading, let me know in the comments. If you're in the season where you know you want to build something meaningful, something that will give impact, and you want to help people in your unique way with your unique gifts, but you have no idea how to get views on social media, how to earn a living from it so you can quit your job, then you can book a free business clarity call, link in the description. Your next chapter is not in your next tarot reading. It's not in another download. It's not in forcing clarity. It's already inside you, waiting under the noise. Your challenge to manifest this new chapter of yours, this dream life of yours, is simple. Make time for silence daily. Surrender and see your new chapter, your new beautiful life chapter unfold. Now, inner clarity without outer structure can still leave you feeling stuck. So watch my YouTube video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People, next, somewhere around this video or in the pinned comments. Love you and see you in the next video.